afternoon. We're back. And ngayon nasa ano kami ngayon? Nasa Vancouver Second Beach. Ayan. So it's still winter kaya lang medyo maaraw pa din. Umaraw ngayon kaya I think it's positive 7 sa Vancouver, British. Yeah, nice day. Sunday today. May January ano ngayon? January 16, 17? Yeah, Sunday. Oh, sorry. Sunday. Say hi. Yeah. Nagbablog na ako.
Ano nagbablog ka?
Yeah. Huh? Ito yung Burrard Bridge. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Yan. So nagbabayad ng parking ang aking panganay na anak. Yan. Beautiful downtown Vancouver. So nandito kami sa English Bay, Second Beach. Yan. Yan. Oh, yun na. Yeah. Yeah. I think ang Vancouver, especially Vancouver dito sa British Columbia, ang most likely walang snow. Kaya medyo cost dito medyo mahal kumpara sa buong part na other provinces ng Canada. Pero sa paradise here, daming tao. Winter pa rin nasa peak tayo na winter pero only in British Columbia na ganito. Di ba ma? Agree? Bango rito. Ayan. Ganda. Blue sunny sky today.
Sure.
Ganda ng elevation dito. Pwede ka mag-bike pababa. Yan. Para siyang screensaver ng Microsoft Windows 95. Ngayon na-miss namin si Bunso kasi may sakit. Kaya hindi nakasama. Taking opportunity pag ganito dahil yung araw minsan lang lumabas eh. So lumabas kaming tatlo na lang. Picture sila. Ganda. It's already 5 p.m. probably, so it's almost sunset. And there you go. I like it. Sanay ka. Sanay sa bukid yan. Wah. Hi. Yan, medyo clear na. Hi Kuya Ale. San? Sa ibang part ng Canada ngayon medyo meron snowstorm. Pero talaga weather dito sa BC. Nakakalabas ka na. No ma? Yeah. Dito kami sa likod. Alam ko rin, I remember dito yung washroom sa likod eh. Yeah. Ito anak dito. Can I go first, kuya? Yeah. So bathroom muna sandali guys. Bye-bye. Hindi kita nakita. Hi, say hi. Hello.
Hello.
Saan na? Oh, malikabok dyan.
Let us see the morning.
It's a golden sunset, no? Ma, no?
Yes. What
May-
time is it?
It's 5:30, 5:15.
See, no.
Right na, no? Pero ang galing, ang daming nagbabike.
This isn't even that. Like it gets busier
Right.
after work.
So ito yung ano, Burrard Bridge naman, ah. Ha?
Yep.
Na? Ito yung Burrard. Yan.
We're supposed to be up there, but people don't know that sometimes.
Yeah, but this is people.
There's not enough signs on the actual seawall.
Anak, look at this. There's like a imaginary. See it? Like a gym ball. Anak, look at the light.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, it does.
This, yeah, the elevation, right?
Yeah.
Ganda, no? Sunset na. It's 4:50 naman, ah. 4:50 p.m. It's a good walk today. Matt, hi. Ganda. The sun is almost gone. Yan, sunset. Malamig na siguro mga ano to, no? Positive 7. Yan, pero sunny. Yan maganda. Actually, it's not sunny, sunset. There you go. Ganda. Ay kami sa Pinpin. Wow.
For 3, yes. Thank you.
Ayan na. Alam mo, magpata tayo. Gusto ko ng pata. Ano order mo, anak?
I have decided.
Pata tayo.